Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, to begin with, first I would say that I am not disagreeing with what Honorable Leader of Opposition has just said, nor I am disagreeing with what my colleague and leader of BJP, Mr. Kishan Reddy Sahab, had said. But sir, I got first elected for this house, and Jana Reddy Sahab is more senior than me, in the year 1999. Adjournment motion is there, sir. The provision is there. Sir, in 99 when I got elected, very few times, very rare I would say, an adjournment motion used to be given. Later on what happened, sir, with changing time and change in situations and also the political parties, and moreover, after this live telecast coming, sir, then there was no live telecast then, sir, when we were there. Later on, live telecast came. When the live telecast came, sir, for the sake of getting publicity for the issue, many tamashas started happening, sir. And sir, at that time, TDP government was there, then Congress came. All the chief ministers in the BSE used to request for only one thing, saying that, let us have an adjournment motion and let it be after the question hour. And when this thing came from the Congress government, that time, Mr. Jana Reddy Sahab was also Home Minister also. He was also there in the BSE that time, sir. That time I'm saying, not now, sir. So always it was been requested, sir. Sir, now what has happened is that every day adjournment motion is coming. And every political party feels that this issue is very important and the House should be adjourned and this issue should be taken up. So, what is the fate of the question hour then? What is the fate of other things which are there tabled for the proceedings of the House? So, this is why it was decided that the question hour will be taken after, the adjournment motion will be taken after question hour. Sir, when Mr. Kiran Kumar Reddy was the Chief Minister, when Andhra Pradesh was there also, sir, it was decided that adjournment motion would be taken. It was my party, I would say, only MIM was opposing this decision. But later on, they requested us, we also gave it up and it continued. So that time TRS was agitating for the separate state. They used to come with adjournment motion. That time the Congress government said that, no, the assembly is not being able to run. Let us just please request. Okay, fine, sir. Sir, now coming to this adjournment motion, sir. Sir, when we had a first session of Telangana state, that time, all the political parties were there. All the political parties were there. A request was again made by the leader of the House, also by the Legislative Affairs Minister, requesting all political parties, let us take the adjournment motion after question hour. All the parties had said, yes, okay, agreed. We had a very big debate on that. Few parties opposed it, few parties said no, we should have it, few said okay, fine. But final decision was that, yes, we'll take it after question hour. If I am wrong, the minutes of the BSE can be seen. It was decided. Sir, if I am wrong, then fine, sir. Sir, till the last session, few months back we had a last session, or the budget session, the opposition party never agitated, never raised a question. For 3.5 years they kept quiet, they agreed for the agreement which was made in the BSE, and now they are saying that no, we want to change our stand. Sir, I am not disagreeing with you, sir. Sir, I have a lot of regard and respect for Honorable Leader of the Opposition. He is a very senior man and he is a very sensible person. He is a very experienced man. But the only sad thing is that, sir, few people are misleading the Honorable Senior Most Member, I would say, sir. They are just making him do whatever they want without realizing. Like yesterday, sir. You see, sir, I have a lot of regard for you, sir. You are just not the leader of this opposition and also not just the leader of the Congress party. You are also looked upon as leader of a legislature, like new legislatures are there. I also look upon you because as senior member. Yesterday, sir, leader of a political party, leader of opposition says, I'm walking out, walk out. And he walked out. Poor man, he walked out, his members were sitting here. Sir, and he said, I'm walking out. And he walked out. And the question hour continued. His members were there. Sir, please, sir. So the problem is that, sir, honorable leader of opposition is guiding us and telling us how to run this house. But it is so unfortunate, he is failing to run his own political party and his own members. This is the saddest part, sir. Sir, I want to come on record. Adjournment motion is important, and anything about the adjournment motion, whether it should be taken up first or after question hour, after this session, you can call for a BAC. You can call for a BAC. In the BAC, we can again talk about it, but I would say that the matter has already been discussed and decided. Still, if they insist upon, they can discuss in the BSc. Why are they wasting the time of question hour now? Please, I request, honorable leader of opposition, sir. Sir, you can call for a BSc, sir. It has been 4 days now. We have not yet decided how many days are we going to run this session. What are the issues which would be taken up? And about this also, we can discuss. You can call for a BSc in the tea break, or tomorrow or day after, whenever you want. We can have a discussion on the subject, and final decision will be yours. And whatever chair decides, because as per the rules, sir, the decision of the speaker is the final. It cannot be questioned. You have the authority, you can take. I request the honorable leader of opposition, Mr. Jana Reddy Saab, senior member, please let this question hour go, sir. It is very important. You can have a meeting and then we can discuss on that.